Hey guys, Steve here. In this video today, what I want to do is I want to talk about the List Infinity platform, right? And as you can see in the background, there's the List Infinity Facebook group, proof group. And I want to show you some proofs that you can make $100 a day. In fact, I've made $100 today, and that's why I wanted to do an update. So that's what we can call it. List Infinity update for, December 18th, I think it is. But I had $100 day, so really you can have $100 day. Especially as a beginner, you need a platform that has everything, right? You can give away it for free, so it's a lead magnet. 2, you can learn how to promote it on different social media platforms, so it's a training platform. 3, it integrates with an autoresponder, right? So you can build your list in it, integrated with the autoresponder that you can get for free, up to like 500 leads, and you get 30-day email follow-up. So it's all in one platform. And if I didn't say you need an offer, the offer is there, right? The $100 that you can make on top of the additional income streams, residual monthly payments. And it has a built-in traffic source that makes it super easy with one click of a button. I love systems, face it. I love systems because as a beginner, you have everything under one roof, and all you basically need to do is drive traffic to the capture page or get solo ads to your traffic page or make YouTube videos, which you should do. Get traffic to your capture page, have your automatic system follow up, and you can do all the learning about how to do affiliate marketing in the background and by participating in the Facebook group. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to dive into the Facebook group, see some proofs, then we're going to take a look at the List Infinity platform. Let's go here. So this is the List Infinity proof group. And as you can see, there's 908 members inside the group. And this is a group just designed so you send prospects to people who are interested in the group, who just want to see if it's really working. Well, it's really working. Take a look at this. You got 908 members in here. We'll start off with Jenna. She is on her 42nd payment as of the 7th. She's crushed it. That's $4,200 made off of a one-time $100 investment. Now, I know that doesn't count the traffic if she's doing, but I think she's only promoting free organic traffic methods. But hey, I don't know, but that's not counting her advertising budget. It's only counting how much you pay for the platform, which is a one-time $100 fee, and there may be like a $25 admin fee. I'm not sure. Next, as we go down the page here, we got Torsten. He had a $100 day 12 hours ago. Congrats. Valentin, congrats. He had another $100 day. That's a total of $300 this week alone. Congrats to you, my man. Valentin again, introducing somebody to the group. We got Steve. Oh, we got me. Congrats. And this is just proof that I got $100 today. Like I said, you can make $100 a day using this platform. Literally, you can do it. Welcome, Greg. He's new to the group. He's going to crush it. Welcome, welcome, Greg. People are asking questions, showing their proofs. You know, ultimately, you get your prospects here. You send them here after they are a free member. You send them a link here so that they can see that the group is doing what it says it does. Stephanie, congrats. She got $100. Angie, as always, is knocking it out the park with $100. Congrats. Lynn, congrats. You have a $100 day here. And it goes on and on and on. People coming into the group. People having success using this 3-step simple opportunity platform, training platform to make $100 a day. Congrats, Al. He had a $100 day. So with all of that being said, let's jump over to the List Infinity site and let's take a look and see what this is all about. And like I said, I can give you some bonuses here at the end. So who else wants to build a massive viral email list and generate instant $100 commissions? I know you do, because I did too. And in fact, I generated so far like $850 off of one-time sale, right? Upgrade. So you can build a massive email list. Every 5th lead gets passed up. You get paid directly to PayPal or Stripe. You can build residual incomes because it has a built-in traffic source, built-in autoresponder. Well, it integrates with an autoresponder that you can have free up to 500 leads. 3 is a tracking software that most affiliates use. And 4 is a Facebook social media marketing training suite that you can get residual payments off of. I highly suggest that you create free accounts for all of those. They're all free. Plug them into the back office. Because if you don't, basically, as you're promoting the opportunity, you're promoting them for your sponsor if you don't put your link in there. So just so you're aware of that. Here's some social proofs that are on the page here. A lot of people are having success with this simple 3-step program. It has everything you need to get started, especially as a newbie. We'll cover those real quick because these are some fundamental things that you really do need as a beginner, right? You need high converting lead viral capture pages. You need daily leads added directly to your email list, so it provides you a traffic source on the inside. Professional written email campaigns that you can automatically put with a click of a couple of buttons, right? You can upgrade your autoresponder sequence and have all the referral links added so you can start using the system. I love systems. Systems make everything so easy. Automation at its finest. Literally, you can make money while you're sleeping with systems because all you do is drive traffic, capture page collects the email information, and your autoresponder does an automatic follow-up. So it's on autopilot, right? You can do additional promotions on social media using the complete Facebook marketing system and different tactics that they cover in the back office here. You can grow a list of engagement on Facebook using the posts that we give. And so you can learn how to do traffic, both free and paid, with this opportunity. You can learn a lot using the free create your free account, right? You can create your free account and still use it to build your list. But if you ever want to make that $100 a day, like I just showed you, you will upgrade, and really you get with the right crowd, you start mimicking the other actions of other successful people, and you will start making $100 a day. Here's just some samples of the opt-in pages. These again are the things that you get once you upgrade. That's basically a $582 bonus. You get Facebook strategies, you get 10K blueprint, you get TikTok marketing, you get YouTube authority, a checklist, an ebook showing you how to do YouTube marketing, Instagram marketing, same thing, and the all important mindset marketing. Mindset reprogramming, right? Which is awesome. You also get your choice of one of 125 locations. As a pro member, you get to select, right, a vacation, which by itself is more than $100. You just have to think of the value. You are quadrupling 10 times in the value. So you're spending $100 to upgrade, yes, but you're getting a whole platform with no hosting fees. You get the ability to make $100. You get a vacation. You get the ability to make residual monthly commissions for a one-time upgrade. That's not counting your budget for your traffic and promotion, but come on, it's like a no-brainer. Most affiliates need to grab a tool like this, and I recommend it because it's a simple system that anybody can grab this system and hit the ground running, and it has everything you need to get started and start generating $100, right? Like I said, it's a 3-step process. Let's take a look. Here's the FAQs. Let's take a look at some of these vacations real quick. Just some of the destinations that you can get. You can get 4 and 3 night stays at any of these places here. 4 and 3 night stays in the UK, Hawaii, Argentina, Australia is covered. This is basically worldwide, right? There's so many that I can't even scroll down, but it's a worldwide vacations. My computer's running a little slow, so let's go back. But anyway, that's really all that it is. And we could take a sneak peek in the back. Now we'll wrap it up here. I don't want to drag it on too long. I tend to drag stuff on too long, but like I said, my computer's running a little slow, or I would be able to scroll down. Oh, and show you of all of these other vacation. But you know what? I'll leave a link in the description box below, and you can check that out yourself. My dog's getting a little antsy. I'm about to take her outside. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the content. It was just wanted to make a quick video showing you the updates that I had and the success. And I'll show you again real quick. I want to show you that this is the Facebook proof group. And there are results being made in this group. And let's jump over to here. I want to show you something else. Here's my Facebook group. And I did have a nice $100 day today. And here's proof. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Yeah, and here's a little post that I made here. Showing the flow of I use my viral list builder, got a lead. I emailed that lead and they purchased a purchase, a $6 item, a $7 item from a whole different system. So this right here shows that you can do this. You can use the List Infinity to build a list that you can use to promote any opportunity to. And that's what this little picture is I made. But anyway, that's all that I got. I hope you enjoyed the content. As always, thanks for hanging out, and like, share, and subscribe. Oh yeah, links for the List Infinity, it will be in the description box below. Thanks for hanging out. I'm out.